We have reached this here. Now it's time to catch up the next section, right? So again, it will be like a scroll carousel for an image. So in this video, I will be not making a carousel, but instead of just a static layout. So just to have an idea, good idea, how we can lay out the design the layouts, right? It will be uh, this carousel, this layout will be moving from left to the right. So the main image, the biggest section will be on the right side, and the others coming one from the left side, right? So just to make it clear, I'll just put in a here a rectangle first. We want this. It will be having a ground corners of 10, and just make it a round figure of 5, 20, and 600. And the same as my color, which I used back sometime. And opacity to 50. Perfect. Or we can increase the opacity to 70, I guess. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. And we should give it a drop shadow. But for the 3 by 3, but let's decrease this, change to 90 degree, to 180. Let's guess to 0, but vertically flip horizontally. Not working, so it's coming from here. So there's no chance to give some more effect here, but we'll try. So we want some 4 images, and I have already chosen this. Okay, so fine. So let's go choose image. One image will be this. Okay, side here. One will be this. One will be this. And one will be this. This 4 image will be there. We can place this image in between here. For this side, the center of this rectangle, and show is 400, right? So we don't want 400. We will guess to the 300. Now again, we can have the radius to 50. We much more we can decrease to the like a capsule. So 90. We have too much more. Like 180 will be fine. Increase the height to 600. Sorry, 500. The total width of the rectangle is only 600. So in between here, perfect. That's what I want. I guess increase the height of the rectangle to 700 to add some element here and there. Okay. So we want some here kind things here. Okay, place them to the here. No, 400, 200 by 250. 200 by 250, right? 250. Amazing. The same as here. 200 by 250. Okay. And just some more elements. Tidy up here. 25 is fine. Okay, give all them a 180. Gas increase to, need to increase the height to 300. Perfect. So just here, directly to the center. Okay, and just want to add some, you know, my favorite. No, 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 let it be. So this is a place. This duplicate. Need I need this again here. But now here, need to change this opacity to 80, and need to add a stroke to the dark one. Okay, this goes wrong. Okay. 80, and stroke is like, so you need to give a darker shade of the stroke. Perfect. Hmm. And also change this over the stroke color. Okay, fine. Uh, need to add text. Increased beach is regular to 20. Place this here. Duplicate this text. Change text to like boating. Duplicate again. Chill. Perfect. Now just adjust the space in between here. Okay, so tidy up first. Tidy up. 3, right? We don't need 3. Much more space, like 10. 10 is perfect. Guess yes. And crop them here. Add auto layout, same as we want. Is it fine to place it the bottom right corner here? Just here, yes. And one more thing, need to add text here. Oh, same, like number 1, 0, 1. Oh, it will be fine for if we give here, right here. Yes, perfect. So it's looking some good, kind of good. Yes, I think it's looking good, pretty good. I think I should give much more, like 20 to 20, 30. How about 30, 30, 30, 30, 30? Much more, much more, much more. 50 will be guess fine. 50 will be fine. Center is not fine, so okay. Now it's looking okay. Good. I think we should change this to 150 and 250. 250. And place this again to the bottom. Okay, so just need to add some more text. So the second is that number 2, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. 3, 4. Okay, number 4. And align these things. These things should be aligned properly. So tidy up. It's not tidy up. Okay. Proper tidy up. Okay, nice. Number 4. Okay, now I guess I need some name here. Sorry, text. Speedboat. Speedboat. We can place it here. Perfect. So this thing is fine. Okay. Hmm. Good. So we can 1, 2. So it is like air balloon, beach party. Hmm. So these kind of things are related, and I guess should change. Okay, so auto layout, yes. Okay, so this looks fine as well. So number 2, number 3, number 4. A little bit. Mhm. Perfect. Okay, so here is good. Some need to add some more some text above here, like just an heading. Okay, so we have given just duplicate, not much to vacate. We can add experience, experience the fun, and joy to the last. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I think I guess I've covered this third section as well. So some more. Okay, so fine.